Hello, you see this week full cinema. Update 1 of the Snowstorm in NYC, January 3rd to the 4th, 2015. First storm of the winter season of 2015. Well, I guess it's 2014-2015 winter season. Well, not the first storm either. There was a storm a few weeks ago. Anyway, so right now it's just raining. Temperature, I believe, is 34. So, it's dropped to 32 below, so it seems to snow soon. If you look at the lights here, you see the rain's coming down pretty heavy. In the spirit of 2015, I'll say this is pretty heavy, Doc. You know, from Back to the Future reference. So anyway, welcome my dog here. So yeah, as I said, the temperature is 34 degrees. The wind is gusting 5 to 10 miles per hour. It's up 5 miles per hour from my last video. So yeah, other than that, just basically it right now. Just rain and the wind. I'm really hoping we get the snow. As I said before, expected to get 1 to 3 inches. There's a winter weather advisory. Whew. I have one thumb outside my gloves. I wanted to record this. I don't have the touch gloves, smart touch gloves. You see there, the wind's blowing the rain. There's some blowing rain right now. It's pretty heavy too. I'm gonna take a shorter walking path because my dog is like going to the bathroom in the rain. Don't know why. He's just not the weather type of dog. So yeah, basically it. For those who don't know, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. It's 7 p.m. right now. And yeah. So I think I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching YouTube. Check out more of my weather videos right here on my channel. Rate, comment, subscribe. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next update. Bye bye.